Hi, I'm Crash, the creator of STRM.TOOL, and I'm going to show you how to log in with your Twitch account so you can unlock Twitch features and premium features in STRM.TOOL. Let's jump into it. So what you want to do is, in your STRM.TOOL user interface, open on any device, go into the top right corner, over the icon that doesn't have a person there, log in with Twitch, and get your Twitch token. From there, you'll see the permissions that are being requested by STRM.TOOL. If you want to log in with a different account, you can. Go not you, log out. Or if you're not logged in, it will ask you to log in and do your regular Twitch login. From here, you authorize, click copy OAuth token to clipboard, go over to Twitch token box right here, and paste it in here. And then from there, validate. STRM.TOOL will restart. And you can see we are now logged in as Crash Coke. Icon up there. And if I was logged in as someone else who didn't have premium, we could get premium with that. So let's actually do that. Let's log in with another account that doesn't have premium. All right, and here we are. We're logged in with an account that does not have premium. So if we hover over top, we can see we have the option to get premium. And to gain access to premium tools, subscribe to Crash Coke's Twitch channel with at least a tier 1 sub. So from there, we can click the subscribe to Crash to get premium access. This doesn't automatically make you subscribe. It takes you to Twitch's website, so you can decide if you want to do it here. Once you're done everything here, if you subscribe, come back to STRM.TOOL and restart STRM.TOOL. Also in this menu, we have, if you're running STRM.TOOL on the same computer that the user interface is on, you can access your user files folder, and we'll get into this a little bit later, but this is where a bunch of information like countdown timers, counters, progress bar quotes, different images you get, and your settings are all saved. And this is going to come in use. This is going to be useful later. I'll show you how to use it and why to use it down the road. We also have the option to restart STRM.TOOL if you want to restart it right from the menu. And if you're done with STRM.TOOL for the day, just closing the browser does not actually quit STRM.TOOL. What you need to do is either right-click and exit STRM.TOOL, or from the user interface, shut down STRM.TOOL. It will ask for confirmation. If you want to shut down STRM.TOOL, click shut down. You can see STRM.TOOL is no longer running, and you're done for the day. All right, we'll catch you in the next video where we go over settings and what each one of them means.